welcome back to Ormsby Farm. My name is Casey. So as you can tell, we're in the garden today, the still untilled garden, but I'm doing a video because I'm so excited because our MYSOILTESTING.com results came in. Y'all know a couple videos back, I dug up some holes and sent in a soil test sample in the main garden where I'm going to be growing crops this year, and it literally was like 4 days.
I'm coming home.
Life has happened. I've been busy, and I'm just now doing my results video. So I'm so excited. I'm going to put the results here on the screen of me showing how you pull up the results. So basically, it will send you an email. The company sends you an email, and you'll go in, and when you sign up for your account, you register your soil sample kit. So when it's available for the results, you'll click on the results and it pulls it up and it talks about your pH levels, it talks about your nitrogen, your zinc, your phosphorus, your potassium. There's lots of minerals that they test for. Now, anyone who has done some gardening or watches a lot of gardening videos, like I do, know that the three super important ones are nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. And shocker, the woman that owned this property before did not take care of this garden that well. So I'm gonna have to do a lot of amending to the soil for this year. And basically our pH levels, and again, I'll show you the results on the screen right here, but our pH levels were optimal. Our nitrogen were extremely low. Our phosphorus was optimal. And potassium was meh, a good solid meh. And I think that's a clinical term. So what I did, and one great thing about MYSOILTESTING.com is they recommend products that will help your situation. When you register your kit, they ask you, is it a garden? Is it a lawn? Blase, 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 blah. You choose that, and then they know how to help you and how to recommend products that will best suit your needs. And one thing they suggested was a 10 by 10 by 10 fertilizer, which I got. I am lucky enough to have fabulous homesteading friends like y'all watching. My co-hosts of Round the Hay Bale podcast, my good friend Carmen over at Jesus Loving Homesteader, and Nikki from 5 Dog Farm. I've been bugging the heck out of all of them saying, okay, so I got my results in, this is what should I do? And after talking with all of them, researching myself, I noticed that I need to get some manure, one, because I haven't started my compost area just yet, but I will. So we got some black cow manure. We got the 10 by 10 by 10 fertilizer, and I got some potash. And what I'm going, and we're about to clean out the chicken coop probably in the next week or so. So what I'm going to do is when I clear all of this area up here, I'm going to put all the fertilizer on top and let it sit for a week or so. And then we're going to start tilling it into the soil, into the garden. Now there's a lot of grass in this area. I will mow this area, but because like grass clippings are actually really good, I'm going to turn it in with the soil, and then I'm using woven weed fabric that will suppress the weeds from growing back. So that will be on another video, but this video is to talk about how I am so in love with MYSOILTESTING.com. I'm not just hyping them up because they sponsor us on the podcast. It's truly because they are a fabulous company. And the start process of testing it was foolproof. And y'all know, I got the looks, but not always the brains. And it was simple. It was a step-by-step situation that showed you what you needed to do and what they were looking for. The sending it back was simple. They send you an envelope that literally is pre-posted. So all you have to do is put your soil sample in there and ship it off. And they say 6 to 8 business days before they get the results, but it was about 4 to 5 for us. So they're super fast. They're super helpful in the result area. giving recommendations and what you should use to help your soil. They're also there is the support center. If you go down on their website, there are the emails that you can send to ask more information. Brennan and his team are so amazing, and I super recommend this MYSOILTesting.com. And right now, they're on sale. I'm going to show the sale screen right here. But if you use our promo code at the podcast, it's MySoil22, you'll get an additional 10% off. I mean, hello. It's a great deal. So y'all, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is a very short video, but this was about my results. I'm super excited, super thankful to Brennan and his team over at MySoilTesting.com. We had so much fun working with them. Hopefully we'll get to work with them more in the future over this gardening season. Y'all, now that it's starting to get kind of feeling good here in the South, go ahead and get your soil tested. Start amending your soil. Start turning your soil. Let's get into the garden mood, y'all. So y'all, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Go ahead and like and subscribe. Share our videos on social media to like-minded people. It helps our channel grow, and we really appreciate it. While you're on social media, follow us at Instagram and Facebook at Ormsby Farms. We post there every single day. Y'all, thanks for stopping by this homestead. We'll see you on the next video. Be blessed.
I'm coming home.